Welcome. If you've ever saved passwords in Google Chrome and want to clear them all out for a fresh start or added security, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete every saved password in Chrome, quickly and easily. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens the main menu, where you'll find several options to manage your browser. From here, tap on History. This section shows you all the websites you visited, but it also gives you access to clear various types of browsing data. Next, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to remove from your browser, including cookies, cached images, and, most importantly, for us, saved passwords. Now you'll see a list of data types you can clear. Make sure to select Saved Passwords. This tells Chrome that you want to delete every password you've stored in the browser. Before you clear anything, tap on Time Range. A menu will pop up with different options, like Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, or All Time. To remove every single password you've ever saved, choose All Time. This ensures nothing is left behind. Once you've selected Saved Passwords and set the time range to All Time, you're ready for the final step. Tap on Clear Data. Chrome will now remove all your saved passwords from the browser. And that's it. You've successfully cleared all your saved passwords in Google Chrome. This is a great way to protect your privacy, especially if you're switching devices or just want a clean slate. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.